All right, welcome back. We are on week 2 of updating you guys about the Monte Carlos. So there's some pretty good growth. Like you can see, there's new growth. The only thing is, I've noticed that some of the leaves is turning brown. So I'm not quite sure what that means. That could be because there's too much light. If it was too much fertilizer, or sorry, not enough fertilizer, then it would be turning like yellow. But again, sometimes it could have an iron deficiency, which is why it's turning brown. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. I would say maybe in about 2 more weeks, we should see the Monte Carlos expanding. In the nano tank, if you guys come over here, you can see that it's growing, but again, some of the leaves are turning brown in here as well. And I maybe thought again, like maybe it's because I've bought this Monte Carlos from some guy, and again, maybe it was just plant melt already, right? And it's having a hard time readjusting, because again, that Monte Carlos probably was grown in water. So other than that, it's looking pretty good. I am keeping the light a little bit dimmer on the nano tank. Oh, there's Reeboks just chilling. Last night I started growing some moss. I forgot what's the name of that moss. Wait one sec, let me just see. So this is called Vesicularia erect moss. Again, I just started this new bin, and basically I'll be spraying water daily. And again, we're keeping the light pretty strong for this. Moss is pretty easy to grow, and we're gonna have another series for just the moss because Tyler has been growing the moss. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, update you guys on week 2. Next week we'll be doing a little update for Finn's tank, just because he got some new equipment. He has a new canister filter. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's a lot better than the other one that he had. And then yeah, we're just gonna make a little room tour of Finn's room. So I'll see you guys next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.